Good morning, friends. If you want online classes, please contact this number. I will teach. I will teach you online classes also for intermediate, degree, MBA, MCOM, CA, CPT also. Anybody want required, please contact this number 8184968229. మీకు ఈ వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, లైక్ చేయండి. మీకు ఫర్దర్ వీడియోస్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా వస్తాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. టుడే ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద marginal costing problems in 2 years related problems. 2 years related problems today I will explain. So this problem So the sales turnover and profit of a company during 2 years was as follows. 2 years information is given. Previously I explained the normal problems, general problems. Today I will explain in 2 years related problems. So here sales is given, profit is given. Sales for 2017-2018. 2017 sales 1,50,000, 2018 1,70,000. In same like that profit also is given. You are required to calculate. First you calculate the PV ratio, break-even point. Sales required to earn a profit of rupees 40,000. The profit made when sales are rupees 2,50,000. Margin of safety at a profit of rupees 50,000. Variable cost 2 periods. Here you are calculating the variable cost also for 2 periods, means 2017 and 2018. You are calculating the variable cost also. So now first I will explain the PV ratio. In PV ratio here formula will be different. Previously you are using the PV ratio formula, contribution divided by sales into 100. This formula you are using, that is normal related 1 year information. So now here 2 years information is given. That time you are using the PV ratio, change in profit divided by change in sales into 100. This formula you are using. Change in profit means 2 years profit is given. So the difference you are getting the change in profit. So how to write down? So current year minus previous year. So current year profit how much amount? 25,000 minus 20,000. You are not calculating 20,000 minus 25,000. You are getting the negative value. You are not do that way. Only you are calculating the current period minus previous year. Suppose 2016-17 is given, 17 minus 16, like that only. Here 2017 profit 25,000 minus 2018 profit 25,000 minus 2017 profit 20,000 is given. The difference you are getting the 5,000. In same like that change in sales also, 1,70,000 minus 1,50,000. You are getting the 20,000 profit. So difference 25,000 minus 20,000 divided by 1,70,000 minus 1,50,000. Now you are getting the value 5,000 divided by 20,000 into 100. 5,000 divided by 20,000. Now you are getting the 25%. The 25% is the PV ratio. Now you are getting the PV ratio. How much amount? 25%. So first bit will be completed. In second bit you are calculating the break-even point. In break-even point formula, fixed cost divided by PV ratio. This is the rupees formula. Fixed cost divided by PV ratio. You are using that formula. Here fixed cost is not given. First you calculate the fixed cost. How to calculate the fixed cost? Based on the PV ratio. In PV ratio way you are calculating the contribution. Contribution equal to fixed cost plus profit. Here profit is given. You are calculating the contribution. You are getting the fixed cost. That's why I'm using the PV ratio. So PV ratio equal to contribution divided by sales. So here PV ratio 25% is given. 25% equal to contribution you doesn't know divide by sales. You are taken the sales in 2018 sales. Suppose you are taken the 2018 sales, you consider as a 2018 profit. Suppose here you are considered as a 2017 sales, you treat it as a 2017 profit. Which year you are taken the sales, that year profit you consider only. So 1 lakh contribution divided by 1,70,000. This 1,70,000 go to right side, in you are multiplying. 1,70,000 into 25%, you are getting the 42,000. In 42,500 you are getting. In 42,500 is the contribution. So you are getting the contribution. In contribution, you are using the formula fixed cost plus profit. You are using this formula. Contribution equal to fixed cost plus profit you are using. You know the contribution 42,500 equal to fixed cost you are calculating. Fixed cost plus profit. Profit you are considered as a 2018 profit. Why? You are considered as a sales in 2018. That's why 2018 profit 25,000. So 42,500 equal to fixed cost plus 25,000. So next this 25,000 go to right side. Here you are getting the negative value. So 42,500 minus 25,000. You are getting the 17,500. This 17,500 is the fixed cost. Now you are getting the fixed cost. Next you are applying the BEP. BEP formula fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So fixed cost you know, PV ratio you know. Directly you are substituting 17,500 divided by 25%. Now you are getting the BEP 70,000. This 70,000 is the BEP, break even point. That means in 70,000 if you sell, you are not getting the profit and loss. Break even point you are getting. Break even point nothing but no profit, no loss. You do the 70,000 sales, no profit, no loss. If your sales will be increases more than 70,000, you are getting the profit. That purpose, you are calculating the break-even point. Your estimation purpose. Next bit, you are calculating the desired sales. Sales is required to earn a profit of rupees 40,000 is given. 40,000 profit is given. In the problem, 40,000 profit is given, but sales is not given. He is asking the sales. You are calculating the sales. So that time you are using the formula desired sales equal to fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. So now you know the fixed cost, you know the desired profit, you know the PV ratio. Simply you are substituting. Fixed cost 17,500 plus desired profit 40,000 divided by 25%. So 17,500 plus 40,000, you are getting the 57,500 divided by 25%. So 57,500 divided by 25%. Now you are getting the desired sales 2,30,000. So 2,30,000 desired sales you are calculating. If you sell in 2,30,000 sales, you are getting the profit 40,000. If your sales will be increased, your profit also increases. If you desire sales 2,30,000 less than 2,30,000, your profit also less than 40,000. So that purpose we are calculating the desired sales. Next is asking the desired profit. Desired sales is given clearly in the problem. Desired sales 2,50,000 is given. Desired profit is not given. He is asking the desired profit. In desired profit he is asking. He is given the desired sales is given. In desired sales 2,50,000 of sales is given. I do the sales 2,50,000. How much profit I am getting? So that purpose we are using the same formula also. Desired sales equal to fixed cost plus desired profit divided by PV ratio. You know the desired sales. Desired sales equal to the fixed cost 17,500 plus DP is not given, same as it is DP write down, divided by 25%. This 25% come to left side. You are multiplying simply 2,50,000 into 25%. You are getting the 62,500. In right side 17,500 plus DP same as this. So now the 17,500 is go to left side. You are getting the negative value. 62,500. 62,500 minus 17,500. Now you are getting the 75,000. This 75,000 is the desired profit. If you do the sales in 2,50,000, you are getting the profit 45,000. Next bit, margin of safety is asking. In margin of safety, he will ask. So you are is given the profit also. That time you are using this formula only. Margin of safety equal to profit by PV ratio. Already I explained one more formula. Margin of safety equal to actual sales minus BEP. That is the normal problem. Here margin of safety at a profit of 50,000 is given. In 50,000 profit, that time you are calculating the margin of safety. That time you are using this formula only. Profit divided by PV ratio. If your profit is not given, simply is asking the margin of safety. That time you are using the formula actual sales minus BEP. Here profit is given. That's why I am using this formula. Profit divided by PV ratio. Profit, how much amount is given? 50,000 is given. 50,000 divided by 25%. Now you are getting the margin of safety 2 lakhs. 50,000 divided by 25%. You are getting the margin of safety 2 lakhs. 2 lakhs is the margin of safety. Next bit is asking the variable cost for 2 periods. Variable cost you are calculating the 2017, 2018 you are calculating. So 2018 your contribution, your contribution 2018 42,500. You are already calculated. You are already calculated contribution for 2018. Previously you are considered as a PV ratio on sales in 2018. That's why you are getting the contribution for 2018 42,500. Now I am applying the formula. Contribution equal to sales minus variable cost. Contribution equal to sales minus variable cost. I want required variable cost. I know the sales. I know the contribution. Contribution, how much amount you are getting? 42,500. Sales, how much amount? 1,70,000. Which year you are calculating the variable cost? 2018 you are calculating. That's why I am taking the sales 2018. So variable cost come to left side here minus here plus you are right down. Variable cost equal to 1,70,000 minus 42,500. 42,500. So 42,500. The difference you are getting the 1,27,500. 1,27,500. That is the variable cost. That variable cost for which year? 2018 year you are getting the variable cost. He is asking the 2 years variable cost. 2018 variable cost, 2017 variable cost. So 2018 variable cost will be completed. In next one, you are calculating the contribution for 2017. If you know the contribution for 2017, easily getting the variable cost. So that time you are calculating the contribution, you are using this formula only. So PV based on the PV ratio, you are calculating the contribution. PV ratio equal to contribution divided by sales. So PV ratio 25% equal to contribution. Contribution divided by sales. Sales you are considered as a 1,50,000. Which year you are calculating contribution? 2017 you are calculating. In 2017, sales 1,50,000. This 1,50,000 go to left side. You are multiplying. You are multiplying 1,50,000 into 25%. 1,50,000 into 25%. 25% you are getting the 37,500. This 37,500 is the contribution. Contribution for which year your contribution? So contribution for 2017 you are calculating. 2017 contribution you are getting. So next you are using the contribution formula. Contribution equal to sales minus variable cost. You know the contribution. Contribution equal to 17,500. Sales you know 2017 1,50,000 you know. So the difference you are getting the variable cost. So 1,50,000 minus 37,500. 1,50,000 minus 37,500. You are getting the 1,12,500. 1,12,500 for which year variable cost? 2017 year variable cost you are getting. So this is the 2 years related problem. Thank you watching for this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.